We have crossed Ida off the list, that's for sure. And now we're actually on to Larry, which is a major hurricane out in the Atlantic. Next up after Larry would be Mindy, and there is one area that we are keeping an eye on. First, we'll take a look at Larry, which is still a Category 3 hurricane, has this massive eye. The center part of the storm is particularly large. The storm system is moving northwest at about 10 miles an hour, sustained wind at 120. Now it's going to make its way toward Bermuda and then kind of take a northward turn right before it gets there. Thank goodness for the jet stream, which is going to steer this thing back out to sea, sparing Bermuda for the most part and sparing the U.S. Thank goodness. This storm system, though, will still be a Category 2 hurricane on Friday as it makes a pass well offshore. I mean, not bringing any kind of weather impacts to us, but causing some rough seas. So Friday into the weekend, if you're headed to the Cape and Islands, all the eastern-facing beaches will have to deal with high seas, some dangerous rip currents as well. So just keep that in mind. The area of disturbance that we're watching is actually across the southern Gulf of Mexico and is forecasted to head toward the Florida Panhandle sometime over the next 5 days with a 30% chance of development. While it may not become our next tropical system, which would be Mindy, it's still going to cause some rain, likely for the southeast. Looking at our upper air pattern, again, the jet stream is what's going to help keep Larry out to sea. Right now, it's almost right across the area, but it takes a nice little dip as we go through the next couple of days, especially by the end of the week. Larry will be out here, and then we'll just be steered out to sea. Meanwhile, this will bring us some cooler temperatures to end the week and start the weekend. And then the jet stream evens back out again, and we are looking at a stretch of seasonable temperatures. 70s to lower 80s pretty much straight into early next week with no extremes, no record-breaking heat or cold headed our way. The 8 to 14-day temperature outlook doesn't show a whole lot of change. We are trending near and slightly above normal, though, as we head toward the mid part of September, and the wet weather situation staying close to normal as well. Right now, we do have a couple of showers off to our east with a passing cold front, and our next system is out across southern Canada, actually. That is going to be swirling in our direction as we head toward Wednesday. So what you're seeing here is a cold front, and that frontal boundary is going to approach late Wednesday night. So out ahead of it, we'll have increasing cloud cover, increasing humidity for Wednesday. It will be breezy as this is a fairly potent system, kind of a vigorous area of low pressure that'll pass off to our north. It'll swing that cold front through late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, bringing with it a period of heavy rain, possibly a few storms, and then it moves off to our east. We may still have a couple of showers that linger Thursday. We will have a lot of clouds, but we don't start feeling comfortable until Friday. So it's going to be like a 2-day thing. And then here is Larry, which again is going to stay out to sea. Looking at your forecasted high temps for tomorrow, we should reach middle to upper 70s again throughout the Pioneer Valley, and getting into the Berkshires, lower 70s to middle 70s. Such a good hiking day if you don't have to work. That is the place to be, I would say, is getting up into the hills. Mostly sunny skies for tomorrow, light breezes coming in out of the west. I would say it's our pick of the week, but it's questionable. Friday may also contend with our pick of the week because it's also looking really nice. Wednesday is going to be warmer, more humid, breezy too, especially as we hit the afternoon. But if you're doing some golfing, the morning won't be bad. Showers and storms hold off until after sunset Wednesday night. Cloudy with some lingering showers Thursday. Even though breezes shift northwest, we are still on the muggy side. We'll lose the mugginess to end the week. Friday and Saturday looking fantastic with highs in the middle to upper 70s, cool and crisp at night. We're back to 80 and feeling a bit muggier on Sunday, and we may see a spot shower this time next week. Jordan, back to you.